Two uprisings and the surge of violence after 2011 pushed away Egypt's two major sources of income, foreign investments and tourism. Revenues had dried up and foreign reserves plunged from $36 billion to $10 billion. In 2014, Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi embarked on aggressive economic reforms. In the meantime, Nigeria was also suffering. International oil prices went south, taking with it Nigeria's national income and its currency, the naira. At this point, both countries couldn't sustain their currencies for long. In 2016, Egypt and Nigeria had to take the inevitable decision. The Egyptian pound and the Nigerian naira were floated in the same year. What looked like an identical step on paper was actually miles apart in practice.
What happened in Egypt that we did 100% free flotation for the Egyptian pound against other currencies, and the Egyptian pound devalued sharply against US dollar. What happened in Nigeria is a bit different. They prefer to go through a managed float. A managed float, that means that they did not allow the naira, the Nigerian currency, to move freely to the market stabilization level.
Egypt backed up the devaluation with financial incentives and a new investment law. It led to an influx of hard currency. Overseas bonds jumped to $7.5 billion from just $100 million earlier. This followed a $12 billion IMF loan deal and injections from Gulf nations, China and the World Bank.
The black market almost disappeared. That impacted on the confidence of investors, either locally or international investors, and the environment of investment became better due to unified exchange rate. The Nigerian central bank started to use national foreign reserves to intervene in the market, the exchange market, trying to protect the naira against US dollar. And they lost a good portion of their reserve.
And numbers talk for themselves. Since devaluation in 2016, Egypt's reserves reached a 6-year high. Nigeria saw red. A lesson by Egypt's central bank on how to float your currency: keep it control-free. Yasser Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.